Cofaso is the leading high-end CAE solution for electrical engineering projecting tasks. Based on its special system technology with direct access to applicable logic for each schematic, the solution offers outstanding features for all industry-specific design and documentation requirements. As a parameter-controlled system, Cofaso provides users with consistent structuring of their work process, while offering unrestricted flexibility for individual adaptation to department, project, or workplace-specific requirements. Cofaso runs on a well-known user interface and supports all the common Windows versions. State-of-the-art user-friendliness. Cofaso is a wieldy branch solution which is developed for design engineering. There are no hidden or complex menus. Context-sensitive and simple operating, use of tree views for better project structuring. The information architecture of electrical project engineering is based on a central database text. The primary task of this database is to organize the language used in company communication, the only way to ensure consistent vocabulary, grammar and logic in electrical engineering data processing. The text database is accessed during I/O list generation. Once the control schematic has been completed using Cofaso, the designations are normalized and given control characters. These characters enable flexible report and documentation, including customer documentation, labeling and installation reference printouts. Translation programs begin here, including conversion to foreign languages and customer-related modifications. All import and export operations are controlled by the program and run via the XML interface to ensure the optimal automation. Cofaso provides a working environment meeting users' needs with professional user interface. Fast and effective working in the graphic editor is made possible by intelligent user guidance. Flexible system organization. Cofaso is a genuine world product. Its documentation always complies with relevant regulations or requirements, achieving consistency based on unified planning. Cofaso is a world market product, available in many languages, supports all global standards. Cofaso ensures global sourcing, document translation at the press of a button, supports for all key CAE standards and data compatibility with the relevant industry standards. Cofaso stands for cooperation, open to custom specifications, component libraries of all leading component manufacturers, international user groups and customer advisory board. Assured quality. Many companies specify Cofaso in their delivery conditions. Cofaso provides you with a wide range of options to optimize and expand the system with dedicated projecting features. Cofaso stands for adaptability. A schematic generator allows you to set parameters for recurring schematics and to generate entire project automatically. Cofaso stands for connectivity, standard interfaces for data and graphic interchange, support CAE interfaces, incorporation into other software systems based on provision of transfer data and a viewer. Cofaso stands for openness. All templates, such as symbol libraries, plot frames and list formats can be conveniently edited and updated with appropriate tools. Cofaso is a key player, through its many international customer companies defines the future of electrical engineering documentation. Executing fully automated project engineering is extremely difficult for graphics-oriented computer-aided design solutions. When dealing with CAD for electrical engineering, the situation is different. The right technology and high integration enable a company to save a great deal of time, money and manpower through systematic information management. Information accessibility and exchange are key factors in improving company productivity. Despite the excellent information technology now available, putting this knowledge into corporate practice is more often the exception than the rule. Information still tends to be generated using several methods, in isolated solutions, that are often overlooked on incompatible operating platforms, and ultimately, misinterpreted and misused. Productive CAE handling. Cofaso meets all criteria for complete authoring and editing of electrical engineering documents. The evaluations conform to global standards. Cofaso provides complete documentation with all evaluations. Cross-references, wiring lists, terminal diagrams, terminal connection diagrams, interconnect diagrams, PLC cross-references and mounting plate design. Cofaso provides fast editing features. Auto-connecting and online item designation, numbering enables you to create schematics quickly and correctly. Rapid viewing, generation of evaluation lists speeds up your work process. Cofaso provides flexible editing features. XML, EXF and graphic interfaces such as DXF guarantee data interchange with other CAX systems and ensure the integration of Cofaso into the unified production chain. Article data of any kind be imported or incorporated. An intelligent article number search function provides an additional aid to locating components used in the diagram. As a result of the separation of schematics and evaluations, projects can also be created in other Cofaso versions. Cofaso also supports the free interchange of data between companies. Effective designing. Electrical cabinet design is based on a technical approach, and it is not talked about only choosing a cabinet and back panel to place your electrical devices. The significant point is creating a design to control a process or machine. Our electrical CAD library of all parts and macros supports you in lowering design effort for the entire process, which is very complicated. With an effective design, all steps will be highly performed while building a panel, in single-line diagram, 3-line diagrams, panel design, manufacturing connection plans and labeling processes, and completely provide the preparation required to make the panel easy to build without an error. Cofaso solves the problems in wide range of industries: automotive manufacturing, steel and metal, energy, oil and gas, pharmaceutical and chemicals, food and beverage, panel building, engineering services, machinery, water and wastewater treatment, cement, and marine. Better design, better process, better results. Cofaso provides you to design and document the complex parts of production processes for the lowest possible project cost and for enabling effective, interdisciplinary and parallel operations to compete globally. We provide the suitable high-tech and integrated solution to enhance your production processes, flexibility and sustainability. We help you to compete globally. Optimize your plant's effectiveness, increase energy efficiency and reduce your project and maintenance costs with Cofaso. For optimum plant performance and holistic automation, make a good start with Cofaso 7.0. Cofaso, live the difference. cofaso.com